Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Microsoft new Surface Duo and head of a first sale. Microsoft long-awaited Surface Duo folding phone is finally going on a sale tomorrow, and we have a new video ad just in a time for the release. As you might have guessed, the star of the show in the 360-degree in a hinge, which offers all kind of virtual setup. The new Surface Duo launches September 10, open two screens and open new possibilities. Their focus here is on the sleek hardware and fluidity with which the hinge can operate. It can fold all the way back or stop at any angle you see fit for the task at hand. We also get to see what it's like to take an actual phone call and the device, and it looks a bit weird. You need to unfold the Duo all the way back, which will likely take some getting used to. So the Microsoft Surface will start at $1,399 and will be available in 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage version. It will be exclusive to the US at launch and will be offered through T-Mobile, AT&T and Verizon, as well as Microsoft online store. So the Microsoft Surface Duo 2020 has 8.1-inch 1800 by 2700 pixel big screen, and it's come with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The other specification of the Microsoft Surface Duo, it has a 6 gigabytes of RAM, 2 version 128 and 256 with UFS 3.0 storage. Card slot is not available. It has 11 megapixel f2.0 main camera on the back side, and it can record 4K at 60 fps video, and the selfie camera is you can use the main 11 megapixel camera for selfie picture and other feature. So the battery is come 3577 mAh and it's a fast charging with 18 volt. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, not the 865 plus or 865 version Snapdragon. It has a Snapdragon 855 7nm, and it has an octa-core 2.84 gigahertz with a Kerio 485 processor, and the GPU is 640 GPU. So guys, this is it, the Microsoft Surface Duo. If you want to buy, the sale is start from tomorrow, and you can buy from online store or the official Microsoft Surface store. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone, or maybe we call this is a tablet, mini tablet, but let me know in the comment section, are you like this or not? And like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.